Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison, and today my mom needed to do a headshot for her job, so we did a soft glam look, and let's get on to the video. So I forgot to shoot us putting the primer on her skin, but we put primer on her skin, we let that sit on her skin for like 3 to 4 business days, and then we moved on to foundation. Concealing the under eyes with concealer. Again, Mom, I'm sorry for giving you dark circles because I had colic as a baby. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry. Now I'm adding concealer to any high points of the face. This includes like the nose bridge, the cupid's bow, the top of the forehead, stuff like that. I'm using a cream contour and contouring my mom's nose the same exact way I contour my nose because we have the same nose. Taking a lighter cream shade, and I'm making an exclamation point on my mom's nose for the highlight. Using a translucent powder just to set the face. Now I'm just brushing on some eyeshadow primer. Taking an off-white shade, and I'm just going from the lid all the way to the brow bone with it. Taking a peachy color, I'm just sweeping that on her crease. Taking a darker shade on a pencil brush, and I'm focusing the color on the outer V of the eye. Taking a darker shade and concentrating the color on the outer V, blending it out as I go just to build up the color. Smoking that same color under the lash line. Taking a white shimmering shade and putting that on the inner corner of the eye because my mom is a star of everyone's eyes, so it needs to twinkle like that. Taking a gold shade on the lid just so it blends in with the other colors surrounding it. Now using a felt tip black liner, and I'm just creating the fiercest cat eye you've ever seen. Now applying mascara and falsies. Moving on to contour, we're going to give my mom the fiercest contour in the world. Adding blush to the apples of the cheeks because my mom is just always blushing like that because she's just so cute, you know? Adding a little bit of highlighter on the cheekbone and the nose. Adding a satin liquid lipstick, and I'm going to go over top of that with a gloss. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on all social medias down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more. And thank you guys. Bye!